Oh hi, I didn't see you there. We're here at Mexico's Xochimilco Lake in near Mexico City looking for the wild axolotl.
The axolotls are part of the Ambystoma family and are native to a very small region in Mexico. Look, we can see one right there.
The axolotl, known as the Ambystoma mexicanum. The axolotl falls under the domain Eukarya, for its cells that contain a true nucleus bound by a nuclear membrane. It also contains membrane-bound organelles. It falls under the kingdom Animalia because they are multicellular, heterotrophic, meaning they get their energy by eating other organisms and can reproduce sexually. It falls under the phylum Chordata because the chordates are linked to 5 common attributes at some point in their life, that being a notochord, hollow dorsal nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, an endostyle, and a post-anal tail. Animals in this phylum include the peregrine falcon and the diplodocus.
Axolotls belong to the class Amphibia because they don't have amniotic eggs. They are cold-blooded and have the adaptation of gills for respiration. However, axolotls differ from other amphibians as they reach adulthood from larval stage without metamorphosis. Other members include frogs, toads, and newts. Axolotls are caudates due to them having a tail with 2 pairs of limbs, elongated bodies, and are usually found in aquatic environments. Paedomorphosis, the retention of larval characteristics throughout entire life, is a common feature that sets this order apart from others. The Ambystomidae family are characterized by their broad heads, coastal grooves down the body, a compressed tail, a complex pattern of spinal nerves, and the ability to regenerate lost limbs, tails, and organs. The Ambystoma are salamanders that possess gills and have an aquatic life without developing in an adult form. And of course, the species is Ambystoma mexicanum. Axolotls are found exclusively in the lake complex of Xochimilco, near Mexico City. Although once found in Lake Chalco, the lake was completely drained to prevent flooding. The female axolotl will lay about 100 to 1,000 amphibian-like eggs, which hatch in approximately 2 weeks. Prior to hatching, the embryo will be about 11 millimeters. The axolotls will then be young larvae prior to the growth of limbs. In about 2 weeks, like other caudates, the front legs develop first, followed by the hind legs in a few weeks. It then becomes a mini adult, reaching full size in about 18 to 24 months, and the axolotls are active through the day and night, sitting at the top of their food chain because they eat anything they can catch or can swallow, such as bloodworms, small fish, crustaceans, insect larvae and mollusks, and smaller amphibians, including smaller axolotls. Predators include introduced fish such as tilapia and carp, birds like storks and herons, and unnatural predators like humans, which are the leading cause of the axolotl's decrease in population. The axolotls are a critically endangered species, with only 700 to 1,200 remaining in Lake Xochimilco. This is due to a multitude of reasons. With the pollution and urban sprawl of the nearby Mexico City comes the habitat loss and degradation of Lake Xochimilco, leading to the destruction of what little habitat is left for the axolotls. Another reason would be their popularity in the aquarium trade, and roasted axolotl is considered a delicacy in Mexico, further shrinking their numbers. Only being found in the lake complex of Xochimilco, axolotls differ from other salamanders in that they live permanently in water. In extremely rare cases, an axolotl will progress to maturity and emerge from the water, but by and large, they are content to stay on the bottom of Xochimilco's lake and canals. The impossibly silly branches that grow from the axolotl's head might not seem practical, but they're actually the salamander's gills. The filaments attached to the long gills increase surface area for gas exchange. The true talent of the axolotl is its regeneration. Cut off one of its legs and it grows back. Even if its internal organs are damaged, these grow back, even parts of its brain in fact. And what's more, if you transplant a damaged organ from another animal to the axolotl, the organ will heal and regain full functionality.